The goats of Blue Chick Farm are doing their part to help out with the fall farm chores. They're helping us clear the raspberry bushes. These are the fall-bearing bushes, so we don't have to worry about destroying next year's canes. They just chew them right down to the ground for us. What you probably cannot appreciate in this video is how thorny these bushes are. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see. I can't really see the thorns, but they're incredibly thorny. And Annabelle and Rascal really don't seem to notice at all.